Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. It's crazy out there. I know. So, anyway, I'm just getting ready to make some flowers. All right, before we get going, I got a couple stickers from Jay over at Moving Chips. I'll have a link to Jay's channel and his website and any other social media that he's got going on. So big shout out to Jay over at Moving Chips. Thanks for the stickers, brother. One for the board, one for the pressure pot. So anyway, yours should be there or on their way. So anyway, shout out to Jay, man. Thanks, brother. All right, this is going to be for the YouTube Cross Channel Challenge 2021. This month is floral or flowers, kind of fitting for Valentine's Day and February and all that good stuff. So this is Quentin over at Deadwood Castings month for the challenge. He chose the floral. I'll leave a hashtag and links to all the participants in the challenge down below. So stick around, check it out. We'll talk about it at the end. Thanks. All right, first up, some live edge maple burl. Should make for a cool flower. I'm gonna be using got a small crack right here that I'm gonna just reinforce. I'm gonna use some Star Bond, some thin on there, get some good penetration on that. I'll have an affiliate link down below in the description for 10% off. So if anybody's interested in any Star Bond adhesive products, I'll have a 10% discount down in the description box. All right, good to go. All right, I've got the outside sanded up to 400. Inside was kind of gnarly. Got sanded up to 220. I'm going to pick a color out and we'll be right back. So, it looks like a nice color. Here's one of... Just kidding, it's flame. So, see what it looks like. Almost looks like a rose bud. All right, there's no good way for you guys to see that, so I'll be back when I have the inside colored. That looks awesome. Yeah, that looks really good. I am really happy with that. There was where I reinforced that one crack with the star bond. Didn't take the color right there, I think it was. So we'll have to address that, but yeah. I hope the camera's picking up on all that. That looks awesome. All right, there it is. I hit that with about 3 or 4 coats of the Deft semi-gloss. I love this stuff, so been using it for a long time. Great finish. It's a semi-gloss. I didn't want it too shiny. There's those, and then the stems. It was just some old metal stuff that I hung on to that I spray painted with some Rust-Oleum satin. It's almost like a forest green. So I kind of left runs and stuff a little bit on one. I just tried making that look as natural as possible. But anyway, I'm going to drill these holes here. Not very deep. I don't want to go through. But anyway, that'll be for the stems. So when I get ready to drill those, I'll have you right back here. Alright, we're going to take our rows. We've got our hole drilled, we've got our stem. I'm going to use the medium thick Starbond black to attach the stem. So. Alright, there it is. Hope you guys like it. This is for the YouTube Cross Channel Challenge 2021. Daniel Dubois over at Turnage Dubois has started this challenge. It's a year-long challenge. Every maker has a challenge month. Quentin over at Deadwood Casting has February, and he did floral. So being February, I did a maple burl red rose. Just a metal stem that I painted green. I dyed these with the intrinsic colors. So anyway, hope you like it. It's a great little challenge going on. I'll have links to everything I use down in the description box below, along with the list of makers. So Pretty cool, man. January was Daniel's month. He did fire. I don't know if everybody's caught those videos. You can go back and see those. But anyway, hope you like it. It's kind of cool. So it's time to say goodbye. And I hope you like my maple burl live edge rose bud. Anyway, there it is. I'll put some still shots at the end. Thanks everybody. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Click the bell icon so you'll get notified of all future videos. All the good stuff, man. Like, comment, share. So, see you guys. Thank you. Little bonus. Awesome. Thanks, you guys. Bye.